这也是Santa Clara County 动物之家，虽然狗舍宽敞明亮，独立内外空间，并且毫无浓浓的气味，堪称5星级收容所。但是从一只只毛小孩的眼神中，还是能看出他们的失落。
There are some of the theories that are kind of circulating about why that is. Some think it's related to the pandemic and pets that were adopted when people were sheltering in place are now displaced now that those people are no longer working from home. But also during the pandemic, access to veterinary services was reduced and the cost for veterinary services increased. So the cost for spaying and neutering a pet is now 10 times as much as it was pre-pandemic.
根据统计，年初疫情趋缓后，全美动物收容所平均增加10%的弃养动物，而仅有40间狗舍的圣县动物之家，目前也爆量迎来70只被弃养的狗。动物之家呼吁，有能力又希望添加一位家庭成员的县民，能利用领养代替购买，到动物之家了解一下。
Any dog that's adopted from the shelter is spayed, neutered, microchipped, vaccinated. And then if they have health issues that we can address before they go, we take care of that. So if they need dental care or anything like that, that's all taken care of. And that's important to consider because if you're, I heard from somebody, for instance, just yesterday that they adopted a cat from a neighbor and didn't realize when they adopted that cat that it was going to be $1,000 to spay the cat. And so here, you're getting it actually have the animal completely vetted before it goes.
圣县动物之家也有专属的兽医，确保所有动物被领养之前身体是健康的状况。另外，他们也特别注意动物口腔清洁。
Sometimes you just kind of have to chip it off.
Oh, that bad.
Yeah. So then once you see all that, you can see the root of the teeth.
Yeah.
And so we know that tooth is going to have to go.
Oh no.
为了让心中有疑虑的民众可以尝试看看饲养宠物，动物之家还推出了中途计划。
Another option too, if you're not quite ready to adopt, is to foster. We have all flavors of fostering available. So if you're not quite sure or nervous about how an animal might fit into your lifestyle or a certain pet, you can foster for any length of time. You can take a dog for an outing, a hike to the beach, or you can take a dog with the intention of adopting just to see, how it goes, and then you just can let us know if it works out, and we can process the adoption.
另外，义工们也会给予适当的训练。
So you do train the dog right here?
We work on training, sure.
Uh-huh.
I mean, not like super heavy-duty obedience training, but just getting them used to going on a leash. Some of them don't have any leash training. Learning to sit. We even have a trainer that comes once a week and we work with him. So that gets the dogs socialized walking together.
除了狗之外，这里的猫的数量也不少。另外，兔子也是选项之一。当然，如果您家后院足够宽敞，这里还有马和山羊可以认养。
In order to qualify, you need to have either the land to be able to take care of them, or you need to have an arrangement with a boarding facility. And then, show, like I said, some knowledge of horse care and keeping, yeah.
圣县收容所为了让这群毛小孩能找到新家，特别在年底前推出优惠计划，只要25元，个人没有虐待动物的前科都可以领养它们。有兴趣的民众可以上网或不需要预约，直接到现场了解。地址在12425 Monterey Highway San Martin。以上世界日报记者熊一山在旧金山南湾的采访报道。